So in this video we're gonna see how to the English practicing the daily without struggling without anyone. Because of if you doing this, yeah, you can speak easily fluent at English at least a 1 month, I think. Because of so many people are they do not they're practicing, they do not speaking, they do not um reading or writing, and they're listening. So yeah, you should the listening guys first of all. Because of if you should listening, some people are what they can understand. Yeah, you can understand or not they are speaking. So it is so important because of if you go to the some place, some people are there saying, yeah, you should the replay. So if you need to replay, initially what is the important? You you first of all what there are said, so that is the important. So you should the listen first, guys. So after that you were speak slowly. Don't hesitate and don't get frustrated because of I'm also doing so many things like that way. So speak slowly. No one like the if you speaking the wrong, they think you're not fluent at English. So like that way, don't think guys because of no one like care about yourself because of there are only like opposite person. So if you speaking the little fluently, that is the makes helpful guys because of they don't they know like we are speaking the English. It is the some of the second language or the third language. So we are not fluent in English. Everyone know that. Like if you if you speaking the practice like every day, that's a huge difference, guys. Like simply the so many methods there, guys. So you listening the YouTube videos and the podcast and some of the movie. If you're interested to watch some of the movies, so many movies there. Yeah, you should the listening first. After that, yeah, if you're interested to the shadowing techniques, if you're watching some of the video or movie, you should the shadowing practice if you're interested. That is the makes helpful for your pronunciation and muscles, how there are pronunciation. But that is the huge difference, guys. I'm also doing that like earlier. After that, I haven't to time for practicing. So the shadowing techniques, I left that. So instead of I am taking my self-recorded on that YouTube video or may boost my confidence. So doing this kind of the thing, guys. So and also you should practice communication skills. Like if you speaking practice, that is a huge difference, guys. So speak with yourself and speak with your friends and families. So I am not the tell about yeah you should speaking while full English. I'm not like I said, guys. Yeah, if you're speaking that with your friends or family, use some English simple words. If you some of the two three some of the simple word, yeah, you can use it. That is the makes huge difference, guys. I'm also initially like only my mother tongue only is speaking. After that, I'm using some of the simple words like how to say, yeah, we go to the outside. Are you coming? So this is a simple sentence you make it. If you speaking, there is a day by day improve. I think, yeah, guys. So it is a huge difference. In this video we're gonna see like simply speaking, like how to like speak like that way. So yeah, guys, if you like this video, so please support my channel and share with your friends. So if you any suggestions, please let me in the comment section. I will do.